Struggling with email load. Let's see what are the common errors that I have faced in my learning phase that I'm going to share. So, let's say we have created some domain name in the HMail server and want to add this in the Thunderbird. So, what we do is we go to the settings, account settings, and we add a mail account. Then we write the full name, we write full email, and continue. So this time the server settings have been found already, but sometimes what happens, it doesn't find your server created in the HML server. So you have to do the configuration manually. So you go to the edit configuration and you write your server here. So server becomes mail.isro.com. What is your domain name? You write here and add mail before that. This is the incoming server. So I have already told you that this will be IMAP and the port number will be 143. Connection security will be none, or it can be auto-dated also. Then you have that we have set passwords, will set it to normal password. Continue the same here. Now I have told you that the SMTP port number will be 25 for us. Normal password none, security none, and then test. So by this, the server settings are found in the Thunderbird. And then if you continue, this account will be set up. So this is the first common error we do, that we don't change the port number and we should write the host name here for manual configuration. Now coming to the second one, when sometimes it happens that email doesn't go to the designation or it blocks between. So what happens? You have to go in the advanced AutoBan and we have to disable the AutoBan. If it is enabled, sometimes it blocks the email port for incoming and outgoing, and you are not able to get the emails. So you need to untick this and save. And there are many more settings. If you want to get emails from the another PC which is in different network, so you need to add, just go to advanced IP ranges. So you know that the host IP is 127.0.0.1, that refers to our own computer. And if you want to get emails from another server or to send to the another server, which is this IP range, so you need to add this IP range in this area. So you click on add and write the lower IP, upper IP, give it a name, and should untick all this. These are asking for SMTP authentication. We don't do that. So we should untick all this and tick all this and then see. So can also see my already done settings. Going to exit from here. And your HMail servers would be on when you are working with the Thunderbird. Settings, advanced, IP ranges. So you can see that I have added another domain and these are the settings that I told you. And you should also untick require SSL, TSL for authentication. The another mistake we all do is we keep our Wi-Fi on while we are working with email. So there are two types of email nodes, that blue one and the green. Some person use this one and some use this one. So this is a common error which occurs sometimes, but I don't know the exact reason of that. But sometimes when our Wi-Fi is on and we are working with this node, email are not working. So just we need to turn off the Wi-Fi and retry. Retry. Maybe the issue is Wi-Fi. This is working with Y1. Sometimes it doesn't work with this type of mode, and this has also the same settings as I mentioned in this one. So there are many type of email node you can try, and if you have not yet downloaded these two softwares, that is hmail and Thunderbird, you should download now. From the description I have already given the link to download these two software. And thank you. Like if you Subscribe if you like the videos and to get the full playlist. Keep learning and keep building. I will see you in the next lecture.